change the battery in an Infinite Prime wireless alarm sensor, remove the sensor cover by pulling the front of the sensor down and carefully prising open the bottom with a screwdriver. Please note, at this point the alarm will set off. You should see the battery inside the sensor. Simply remove and replace it. Finally, make sure you replace the lid firmly so it doesn't disturb the tamper circuit. The Smart Security team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.